This is my sheep eye dissection. So on the outside of the sheep eye, you can find the cornea, which is taken off and right here. And then behind the cornea, you can find the pupil, which is right here. And the cornea covers the eye to let light in. And what the pupil does, it's where light enters the eye. And then the blue part is called the iris, and that makes the pupil larger or smaller. And then the space between the cornea and the pupil is called the aqueous humor. And it's mostly water, and it makes the shape of the eyeball work. And then right here is called the lens. And what the lens does is it focuses the light coming through the cornea and pupil. And then this layer right here on the inside that's bluish is called the retina. And what that does is it contains cones and rods. And cones are is what makes us see color, and rods is what perceives like how much light, like how bright things are. And then after the retina, you can find the outer layer out here called the sclera. And what that does is it covers the eyeball, and it protects the inside of the eyeball. And then between the sclera and the retina behind it, the space is called the choroid. And what it's just a thin little black sheet around it. And then you can also find on the outside, is the optic nerve right up here. And what that does is it takes the signals or your visions that you see, and it goes into your brain so that you can actually perceive it. And then right in the back, so behind here, would be called the blind spot. And what the blind spot does is it's where the receptor cells in your eye form the optic nerve. And then the space between the eyeball, that's between the pupil and the vitreous humor, which is the space inside the eyeball, that is called the vitreous body. Thank you.